Hello again, welcome to MasterCAM course. In that lecture, we're going to talk about roughing process. In the roughing process, as you can see here, there is some pocket, but actually I don't want to enter the dots area. So that's why we need to create some curve here. And after that, we can easily create some 2D toolpaths for that pocket. So that's why we need to focus on this part actually. So that's why I'm going to create wireframe and curve on the edge options. Maybe we should turn to the 3D, and then I can create that curve, and that curve, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And also we can create some curve on this surface. After that, maybe we should turn to the chain selection, and then we can use the right mouse button, and then we can easily change the color of actually our boundary. Okay, it's fine. So let's focus on here. So we need to create some surface on that area. So I'm gonna use the boundary, flat boundary options, and then I just need to select the boundary, and then I just need to hit the OK button. Okay, it's perfect. So actually, when we focus on our boundary, so that area is not important. So that's why I don't need to create any flat face here. So we just need to turn back to actually our geometry options. And then you're gonna see that 1090 surface selected as a derived surface. I'm gonna hit here, and then I need to select that face as well. And then I need to hit the end selection, and then I'm gonna see the 1091 faces here. And then I'm gonna hit the OK button, and then we're gonna recalculate our toolpath. So let me calculate my toolpath. Okay, it's done. When I am focused on my toolpath, maybe we should also turn to the view and the wireframe. And then when I am focused here, there is no any toolpath in this area. Okay, so that's cool.